Hey guys, Stuart here. Welcome back to another Sheetify CRM tutorial. Today's focus is to show you how you can create and add custom filters. These are custom filter view types that you can use to quickly see specific data. Okay, so before I do this, and if you're completely new to our Google Sheets CRM toolkit that we built for small businesses, I will add relevant information up above and down below in the description if you're interested in learning more about our Google Sheets CRM called Sheetify CRM. Okay, so let's dive in. As you can see, I'm inside of Contacts and Leads, which is the sheet that I use to manage all my contacts, leads, and customers. Now first, let's go ahead and create a general filter. To do that, I'm going to navigate up to the header, this row here, row 1, which has all these column headers that I want to filter. Then let's navigate down to the very bottom of this page, navigate over to 1013 here, or the lowest row that you have, click Shift, select, and then navigate back up to the top. Then simply navigate up to Data and click on Create Filter View. And as you can see, next to each of these columns, we have these filter options. I'm going to click Save View and name this Filter All. And you can name this anything that you like. Click on Save. If you see this, click on Don't Show for 5 minutes, and let's close out of this. Now, let's say we navigate across and we want to filter all leads or all contacts that have been captured via the source social media campaigns. All I need to do is navigate up to Data, then change View, and select Filter All, then click on this filter option, and let's clear, and then select Social, and then OK. And now we can see all records, all contacts, or leads that have come in via social, the social source. Okay, let's unselect this, select all again, and click on OK. Again, I could do the same with priority, click on filter, clear, and I want to see all deals that are labeled high priority, and then click on OK. So these are the urgent deals that I want to close quickly. I want to prioritize these deals. Again, to close the filter, I can click here, select all 4, and then OK, or I can simply click on this cross icon, this exit, to remove the filter. Now let's say we want to create a specific filter for a specific set of data. For example, we have sales pipeline. I want to create a filter for all qualified leads. So again, I'm going to navigate across, click here, then navigate down to the last row, shift, click, and navigate back to the top. Then click on Data, Create Filter View, and then under Sales Pipeline, click on the filter option, and then Clear, and simply select Qualified Lead, and then hit OK. And that filter is just going to show qualified leads. Let's go ahead and save this view, and name this Qualified Leads, filter by Qualified Leads, and hit Save. And let's close out of that. And now if we navigate up to Data, Change View, and select Filter by Qualified Leads, that's instantly going to show us all qualified leads. Let's close out of that. And the last filter that I want to create is a filter view that shows all contacts assigned to me, assigned to Stuart. Again, I'm going to quickly highlight all this data, similar to how I showed you earlier, then navigate up to Data, Create Filter View, navigate across to Assign To, then Clear, and simply select myself, and then OK. And you can see all records assigned to me. I'm going to save this view as Filter by My Leads. This could be anything assigned to me, my contacts, my records. I'm happy with this. I'm going to click Save, Don't Show for 5 minutes, OK. Let's close out of this filter. And again, if we navigate over to Data, Change View, you can now see all these views. Filter All, Filter by My Leads, and Filter by Qualified Leads. Let's click on Filter by My Leads, and that's going to show that filter view. I can quickly see which leads are assigned to me. Pretty cool, huh? Let's close out of that. And again, you can do this with all of our Sheetify toolkits. This is a quick and easy way to filter your data inside of your dataset inside of Google Sheets. Again, if you're interested in learning more about our Sheetify CRM toolkit, I will add a dedicated tutorial down below in the description for you to check out. If you have any questions about filters, make sure to pop them down below. And with that said, thank you so much for watching this tutorial all the way through to the end. If you got value, make sure you leave a like and subscribe, and that way I'll see you in the next video. Take care, everyone.